Before being accepted into service, combat drones undergo field trials. These tests evaluate their safety and operational handling, resistance to external factors such as electromagnetic fields, transportation-related vibrations, extreme temperatures, both high and low, and exposure to precipitation. Their combat effectiveness is also thoroughly assessed. Based on the results of these trials, tactics and methods for the operational deployment of such drones in combat environments are developed. To ensure operational safety, the final arming safeguard of the fuse is disengaged upon receiving a command from the operator. Thank you for watching my video.